If you need to create reserved seating for your course section, this video will demonstrate how to accomplish that task in Banner 9. From the SESEC form, make sure you're on the Section Enrollment Information tab and then the Reserved Seats tab. Once you're on the appropriate tab, make sure you navigate to the reserved maximum and either click the Insert Row icon or the down arrow key on your keyboard. This will open a second row in the reserved maximum section. Now navigate back up to the reserved seats details section and select the criteria that you want to use to create your reserved seating. Here I'm going to select field of study, major, and the field of study code. I want to use nursing, so I have a couple of ways of looking for that code. I can either scroll through the pages of codes that are presented, or I can use the criteria search box and type in NUR, and the nursing code will come up. I want to select that nursing code and click OK. Now that I've selected the criteria for my reserve seating, I want to add the number of seats that I'd like to reserve. I want to navigate back down to this reserved maximum section, click in that second row, and add the number of seats that I would like to reserve for this course. I'm going to reserve 5 for this particular course section. Once I've entered the number of reserved seats, I come down to the bottom right corner and click Save. You'll get a pop-up warning that says you'll be changing the original maximum number of seats. You want to click Yes. Once you've done that, you can look here at the bottom of this page and see that the reserved or the maximum seats has indeed changed. We really want our enrollment to stay at 50. So we'll have to navigate back up to that reserved seating and change this to 45 so that this number plus the number of reserved seats equals the original enrollment maximum that we have set of 50. Once I have accomplished that, I click on the Save button in the bottom right corner of the page again. I'll also get that warning message again. I'll click Yes. And now you have a course section with a maximum enrollment of 50 and 5 seats reserved for that section.